Hi my friends, this is Atif and you're watching my channel Moon333 where I'm posting the trading ideas on cryptocurrencies, stocks, forex and on different assets and also educational stuff. If you didn't subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it for more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. And do remember that the information contained in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice. So please seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. On 15th of August, I posted the chart of TRXUSD and this was a long-term chart on 1 week time period. And this was the chart. I'm just opening this chart from my portal. And this trade had the potential to give us up to 120% profit. On this chart you can see the price action formed a bullish cipher pattern. After initial X to A leg, the A to B leg was retraced between 0.382 to 618 Fibonacci and B to C leg was retraced between 1.272 up to 1.414 Fibonacci as required for the B to C leg of cipher pattern, and C to D, the final leg, was retraced between 0.618 up to 0.786 Fibonacci. But when I'll play the idea, then you can see the leg is little bit more extended. So far the price action did not break this potential reversal zone cause so far the candlestick is not completely closed below this potential reversal zone. But now the leg is entered in the potential reversal zone of shark pattern. Therefore, I've posted the new idea accordingly, and this is my new shark idea. I've posted on 1 month chart yesterday on 25th of September. And on this chart you can see on this 1 month chart the price action after initial X to A leg, the A to B leg is retraced between 0.382 to 618 Fibonacci as required for the shark A to B leg, and B to C leg is retraced between 1.13 up to 1.618 Fibonacci as required for the B to C leg of shark. And C to D leg, the final leg, is entered in the potential reversal zone as it has retraced between 0.886 up to 1.13 Fibonacci. Now here the shark pattern is completed and the profit margin is also increased. Now this trade can produce up to 329% profit. But if the price action will take the bullish divergence from this point, then it can give us up to 160% profit. But if we'll be successful to buy from here, then we can earn up to 329% profit. I've set my sell targets using Fibonacci sequence, and that is the CD Fibonacci projection from 0.382 up to 786 Fibonacci, 0.786 Fibonacci. You can see these targets very clear in the chart description here. I'm also sharing the link of TradingView in the video's description. You just need to click on the link to find my charts, and when you'll be on the TradingView, you just need to select the people from the drop down list like this. Just click on here and select the people from here. This is the people option, and after selecting the people, you just need to write here in the search option Moon333, Moon333, and here you will find the link of my portal. You just need to click on this link, and after clicking on my link, my all charts will be open before you. And if you want to find any specific chart, for example, if you want to search TRXUSD chart, you just need to go to the search option and write TRXUSD, then my all TRX charts will be open before you. And there will be another easy way to find my chart. My TRXUSD chart is go to the main TRXUSD area, TRXUSD charts, and you can find me in the most popular author of TRXUSD at the #1 most popular author of the TRX US dollar, and you can find my TRX US dollar chart in most popular charts of TRX US dollar on Tradingview. If you don't have any account of any crypto exchange to start your cryptocurrency business, for that I am also sharing the link of best crypto exchange Binance in the video's description. You can click on that link and you can create your account there and you can start your cryptocurrency trading business today. Thank you so much for watching the complete video, guys. I'll be back soon with more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. If you like the video, then do hit the like and subscribe to my channel. Take care. Goodbye.